How's it going, everyone? I wanted to go a quick video because we have literally nailed the bottom on INOD, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I look for. Instead of just randomly guessing, this is the best way to find stocks that have moved up like a big amount like this, hit this ATR4, or this is my Keltner channel that's customized. So if it hits this upper band, we do not buy here. Where we look for the pullbacks is this blue band here, and that's going to be your EMA 20. It's fine if it goes a little under, but as you can see, this is where the algos start to kick in. So we had this big move up, we come back down to this EMA 20, and we start bouncing. We made pretty good gains because we literally nailed the absolute bottom, almost a 5% so far. And to prove it, before it even happens, before anybody wants to get in, I got in right here when I said swing trade alerts. I said I'm buying INOD at 36.61. Literally, it went to let's look, a low of 36.52. So it went down over here, and then it started pumping all throughout the day. So very beautiful trade, and it's up to almost $40 after hours here. It's still starting to pump. So I mean, nothing. This is a really nice trade. So I want to show you guys this, what I'm looking forward to, so you guys can find this yourself. So you don't have to rely on me. Hey, to buy this stock and that. And of course, if you're in my Discord, you're gonna see, potential setups that I see. If there's no trend reversals, sometimes for swing trade setups, I look for stuff like this. For example, CrowdStrike, same scenario. What did CrowdStrike do? Well, let's look. Now that we're looking at CrowdStrike, what happened? It had this big move up, buying some options on calls. Nice move up here from the low of 340s all the way to 347. So I want to talk about INODs in particular because you'll see this happen a lot. Look at the INOD chart. It's super overextended, but there's still money to be made in here, and I'll talk about the stop loss and all of that. So look at INOD. We'll look at past examples here. We had this big move up, price comes tumbling down, and then sometimes it can go below this, and that's totally fine. But as you can see, price resumes the uptrend. What I'd like to see is I'd like to see what's my risk versus reward. I'd like to give it some wiggle room. Usually around 10% stop loss is what I give it under the EMA 20, just in case if it does this scenario where it recovers it. And I would have definitely taken this gain here. And then, but obviously, if it does something like, if we keep touching the 20, you got to understand trends do change. So we touch this, go up. We touch this, go up. And then we go down through here and we come tumbling down. So that's why maintaining a stop loss is important. But once we start recovering, look at this, we start the uptrend again. And there's plenty, like one loss isn't going to matter as the wins are going to outweigh it. So the reason I show this is I want to show you guys, don't just randomly guess for an entry. Look for these kind of plays where is this a strong stock? Does it have strong volume? Yes, we've had very nice volume. INOD, it is super extended. I'm not saying I want to hold this for a long time. You can see on the weekly we hit this upper band and we do sell off. It's going to sell off. This is not sustainable, right? But I do think we can get a nice little bounce here. Put some bigger size money in this. This little move up here at 5% in literally a matter of an hour. That is a nice return when you're not holding that long. And then obviously we are pumping after hours. I am holding a trail stop. We were at 39.89. Look at this beautiful move up. I mean, I'm wondering if I should sell some more at this point. This is insane. All right, so yeah, we're going up even more after hours. We're trying to hit $40 here. So I did sell. I do tell you guys when I sell. I did sell some. Since I did sell some, like right here, my stop is 34, so I tell you my stop. I did close some out at 37.59, and then I closed some more out at 38.40s, and now I'm holding my last end till $40. I think it could go higher than $40, but we'll see. But this is my swing trading strategy for how to trade the trend. A lot of people see me do videos of how to trade against the trend, where I would be looking to short this when it's way above these bands, and we look for a correction to the EMA 5, and that's going to be your biggest returns. But the safer plays are trading with the trend, and so when price comes to the EMA 20, we look for a bounce from there, and that's what we got here. So beautiful return here on INOD. And there's just nothing else to it. I've been looking at some forums and people are like, you know, why does this thing keep going down? This is just a reversion to the mean. There's nothing to it. This should have went down, you know, and this is what now the algos are kicking it in. We are up 4% after hours. Look at this beautiful, nice, 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 nice. All right, guys. But also, if you do want to see my alerts and you want to learn how to trade, how to see my system, be a part of the community, as always, join the premium Discord down below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll also be in the description for you to join. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, just hit day trade alerts and I'll give you access to all the subscription swing trades and day trades. And you can see even on my day trade alerts, you can see when I do puts and calls, and I also do futures on a shorter time frame, like a 15-minute, and how I do the inverse of that. And so it's a very nice strategy that wins a lot. If as long as you follow the rules, you'll be totally fine. So we have day trade alerts, we have swing trade alerts that I post all of this in here. CrowdStrike was a monster win again. And then we have many things that happen, like wave up in here. I did MSTR, which I mean, you can't. I mean, this stuff definitely works. Can I get a loss? Yes. Like for example, MSTR. What happened? We hit the EMA20. Is anyone surprised that this one went up? Anybody surprised that the algo started kicking in? We had this massive move up. We come back to the 20, and I kind of like to look at, did this ever touch the 20? Because if it did a couple times, then usually like it will try to break it. Well, no, it didn't. And so then that's what happens. So INOD, same example. We haven't touched the 20 in a very long time. So we come back to it, and this is your first touch. Usually the first touch, algos kick in, it goes up, it can come back down, but I'm already locking in profits that if it does come down, I already win the trade. So it doesn't even matter. So this is my swing trade idea, INOD. I'm extremely bullish. I think this can easily go up higher. We can probably hit up these highs here, and that's a 26% return, but we'll see from there. So like I said, if you want to join the Discord, I give clear entries, exits, what I'm looking for. Not everything's going to be perfect, but you're going to also understand how to trade, and that's the most important part. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys. If you guys need anything, just DM me or message me in here. And also, please read avoid scammers. A lot of people will copy my profile. I will never message or DM you first. So do keep in mind, if you do join, just type in the premium chat if you're a member, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid.